What's up, YouTube? Yeah, Skunk72 coming at you from Southern California on a rare riding day. I suppose you all know I work in the medical field, so I know I go through this every time. I work in the emergency medical field, and I just haven't had much time to ride this year. I've had to neglect my channel a little bit, but congratulations. I see a lot of you guys out there have gotten your 1,000 subscriber count, and I'm very proud of you all for that. My numbers have actually gone down a little bit, which it's fine. I've, like I said, had to neglect my channel a little bit over the past year. 4,000 hours at work doesn't leave a whole lot of riding time, and on top of that, the time to edit. And I used to be able to sit at station and do a little bit of editing, but there's just really no station time these days. For those of you that are curious, I have gotten a COVID-19 vaccination. My company that I work for that contracts with the county to run emergency medical services, they were getting them, but we didn't know when. And one of our local hospitals vaccinated all their employees that were willing to get it and had a bunch left, so they hit us up and I was able to get that one. That one happened to be the Pfizer vaccine. So if y'all get vaccinated, I'll tell you right now, it's about 50-50 on the side effects. My partner and I from work both got vaccinated the same day, both first shot and second shot. I had no side effects from first shot. Second shot knocked me on my ass. I had fever, I had body aches, I had a headache, and that lasted for about 36 hours or so. I'm gonna have to go ahead and say that feeling like crap for 36 hours was well worth it if that vaccine works. I know there's a lot of people that are skeptical about getting a vaccine that they supposedly produced so quickly, but what people aren't understanding is they started on this vaccine when the first round of SARS was around. And if you look at the name of this virus, it's SARS-2. So yeah, they've been working on it for a long time. It's not some brand new vaccine they just started working on a couple months ago. They got the funding they needed to finish when this one came about and went worldwide. So I know there's a lot of people that have been saying that COVID isn't real, it's all made up. There's videos of people storming into the lobbies, the empty lobbies at the hospital, screaming about how, look, there's no people here. Well, as a medical professional, I'm here to tell you it's real, alright? So, you people that have gone through this past year and haven't had to do CPR, haven't zipped up a body bag, haven't had to tell somebody that their family member's dead and there's nothing more we can do, try doing it a few times and then maybe you'll understand that this is real. There is currently in Southern California, where there's a massive outbreak, there is long wait times at hospitals to get in. We're running low on resources because all of our units are sitting at the hospital waiting. And to the people that were storming hospitals and screaming about how they don't see anybody, yeah, dipshit, that's because the hospital lobbies are closed. They're not letting people in. The only way you get in the hospital is if you're sick. There's no visitors right now. Now, this isn't a political thing either. I don't give two shits what your political opinion is at all. My political opinion is I don't trust politicians. I don't care what party you're from. subject. And that's pretty much all I got to say about the COVID, man. So, rubber side down, shiny side up, and I will talk to you all next time.